What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Dean back at you again with another video, even though I never made any in the past. This is just a test run. Just got the new setup. Let me know in the comments below if you enjoy it. Right down there.
Many months later.
Hey YouTube, it's your boy Roadman Dean with another Evo video. As you can see, look what I got in the mail today. Oh my goodness, it's gonna be quite the journey with this car. So like I already took the lights and stuff out of the box. All the harnesses were already connected to it. It wasn't much, it was pretty simple. Sorry I didn't open the box with you guys, but the two top parts of the headlight were there, and the two outer pieces were balancing here, and they got this cool little flower cut out. It came in this box from Taiwan, but I'm going to show you guys how to install it. Remove these lights, the OEM tail lights, to the new Varis style Mars tail lights. So I'm going to go ahead and take these guys off, and I'll show you exactly how we get them on. We'll start with these guys because it's the easiest one to do. It's just two Phillips screws, and don't mind this, it was ripped up from the previous owner and stuff. But there's these little clips here that push out, and you just take your time with it. And make sure you unplug this harness because we are using the new harness provided with the headlights. And yeah, so without any further ado, I'm just gonna get started on this because I don't want to take up too much time talking. As you can see, guys, I took out the harness and it came out with this little piece, and then you will be left with a finished product well, not a finished product, but after you get it out, it'll look like that. The new one does have another rubber grommet included with the harness, so we're gonna go ahead and throw that in. Okay. This is messed up. Whoops. Sorry about that, guys. So let's make sure this is in. So it's in now. I'm gonna tighten it down. Okay, well, I got one set on. It's kind of hard to see, especially from this angle. There we go, got the second ones on, connected. It's actually like so pretty in there. I'll just press the button once to see if it lights up. Oh yeah, I didn't plug them in yet. Okay, that's all right. I kind of jumped the gun just a little bit, started taking out these clips, but you will have them. There's about 10 of them or so, 8 on this trunk. So like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I think that's it. Yeah, I think that's it. Like 7, 8. Oh, there's a couple here too.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
But yeah, you get those off. And let me just actually run through so you guys don't get confused. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and I believe that's it. So we're gonna take out all 7 clips. I've already taken out 2, and then that'll give us access underneath here so we can swap out these guys. All right, I'm gonna get to it quick. Okay guys, I'm just keeping my hand here so you guys see what happens once you remove all the clips. So after that, it falls out of tracks like this, right over these little rubber stops. I'm just gonna set this down over here because we're using that after, and then that exposes the trunk. And this is what we have to get to. Unfortunately, I added new what's it called, gaskets with the center, so hopefully I don't have a lot of trouble with it. But yeah, let's give it a shot. It's pretty simple. You just unplug a couple bits and pieces there. This just falls onto the stud there, and then this one unplugs, and that's it. Pretty straightforward, nothing too complicated. There you go. And I think we can still reuse this if I'm not mistaken. If not, it is all right. Yeah, I believe it just plugs right into there. So I'm just gonna take these off and we'll go from there. I literally just muscled it out a little bit. As you can see, there is still fresh like tape on that. So if I can reuse it, great. If not, then I guess I won't be able to. I'm gonna see if I can salvage it though, because I did buy those gaskets brand new. All right, which one goes in first? I believe, gosh, I might as well just get started on this so I'm not working twice. So, if you guys don't know, it's a 10 millimeter bolt. Two of them that holds the inner housing together. Counterclockwise. Okay, this one was the one at the back, and this one was the one at the front. Guys, I like to just put the screws back where they came from, just so I don't run into no issues, you know? All right, so this little tool, you can pinch it and kind of push up. For the most part, if you put your hand flat on it and kind of like equal pressure, in theory it should just pop out. Now let me put this down so I can do this easier. There you go. So it popped out. Did I cut myself? Anyways, that's what it looks like once you clear it out. It's gunky in there a little bit. Anyways, not really gonna clean it up. I think that's a little excessive, to be honest. I've already wiped it down the time when I installed the other ones. Let's see. I believe it's this side. This is the one. It comes with a new one, so that's nice. Before I throw it on, so you can see it. If you look really close, it does have like a I guess a split, like a cut. It's pretty cool. Anyways. Take this off. And I am struggling. So you guys can see what I got. It just had a piece of tape that was covering over this bulb. But I already have like LED bulbs and stuff for reverse light and shit. So I'm gonna go put this in. And hopefully my other bulbs, like, I guess, fit. Why not? Actually, give you guys a better. Okay, that'll have to do. So, as you can see, this guy sits right in here. So, just gonna see if I can just follow.